Here do zomo waya koyo wala vizi wala moku wala tose wala giwa wala dirua wala ni wadilai onwe benikiri oyuse ehi egbo da femena ga egbo gbe ide ntwela vizi vizi nozwa waya koyo mayo kwa kale de na bikodomi lessons na o here ita kevbe oghe do. Markers when ita. What we want to talk about today is proverbs, and proverbs are called ita. First, you can hear proverbs like this: Ama sabiwolo aiwolo. That means if you're not good at something, if you're not an expert, you cannot excel in a particular field. So you have to be good at something to excel at it. So you can use that proverb to advise someone to try and be good at a particular thing so I can excel, and then people will see you more like. If you're not good, you're not good at it. So there's no need pretending. What does a megasiniotos mean? It means when the water gets to the sponge, to definitely get to the body. So what is trying to tell us? To be patient in life. Another says agadamu ewa. Means when you just carry something, you will not feel the weight initially until after a while. So this is also trying to teach us patience, that sometimes you just ask something, it seems like it's very easy. Then you got to a point, it becomes, you face challenges. So challenges are part of life. That's what I'm trying to tell them. And that's one says, Aare. That means you do not imitate the king. You do not try to be proud. Because why? You are not a king. You cannot start saying something like that comes to pass. You have to be humble. Do not imitate the king. That means what? If you do not work hard, you will not get rewards. There's a tree at Uselu where during coronation period, before the Oba is coronated, he has to climb that tree. The tree is called Amamiesoanuwa. So the king has to climb that tree, tradition for the king to do that. Another one is Ojima Wegbe Era. If a thief is not strong, he will not steal. That means in life, you must be able to what? You should be ready for consequences of your actions. You must be responsible for your actions. Like you must be prepared that if you take a decision, be ready to face the consequences, especially if it's a wrong decision. Another one, meaning what? Today is pregnant. You do not know what tomorrow will give birth to. So you should treat people well. You should always think ahead of tomorrow because you do not know what tomorrow will bring. Now let's go to kevbe. Is belief, traditions. That's a tradition, it's not even a belief. We are not supposed to eat the pounded yam of yesterday. I don't know if we do it now. Now that we're doing microwaving and all that. Okay, but it's not supposed to be. Then we have oghe. That means we don't eat pounded plantain. Some cultures pound plantain and eat. We do not do that. Then we have that's the child naming. After 7 days, you name your child. Izomo is child name. That means the kola nut, which is Aare, is used for prayers and also to entertain visitors too, and also to consult the oracles. That is the chief is not supposed to wear a shirt to the palace. You can wear your normal royal this thing, but when you go to the palace, you still wear only the wrapper at the waist. And I don't really, I believe rather okay, easy. Meaning what? When you get to Benin, Benin is the first. And when Benin goes outside, Benin is also the first. It's like what you say in Pidgin English, I don't know they carry last. So as time goes on, we will learn and learn more about our traditions and our cultures. So keep listening to Igodo lessons.